And then decides, oh crap, so then he pulls over here and then turns and makes his U-turn. And in the meantime, he backed right over my T-post, and then hey, I thought I was going with you.
I wish you were.
Okay, go get me a shirt, I'll go with you. And then my dahlias have started to spring to life. They're freaking awesome. Okay, I'm coming. All right, I'm back. I went to a children's concert or a youth choir. All right, so we got here these dahlias. This is Coral Mystery. It's almost ready to pop. The gardens are looking awesome. I've got some good dahlias over here. Tutti Frutti over there, and we got so much fun. This is the best time of year for me in terms of my gardens. They look the best. So this one right here, this is called Myrtle's Folly. Should have several of those in this section that should spring forth here in a minute. So this one right here, this one's new to me. It's called Caitlin's Joy. It's a ball variety, about a 3 to 4 inch ball. It's a perfect little round ball. Love these. These are my favorite kind, the ball varieties. Caitlin's Joy there. I think I got that Caitlin's Joy from Team Mad Cow. Got some over there on the porch that are about ready to go. Got some that are about ready to explode there. So look how awesome my trench filled in over the course of maybe 2 months or something. You can still see the trench there. It's pretty evident. You can obviously tell where it is. For the most part, it's almost all the way filled in. Problem is, it's a different grass type and variety. This is a disappointment for me here. This is all full of weeds. I like these vincas, but I've got so much grass in there. So look at this little guy right here. This is called Little Scotty. It's about 1.5 inches in diameter, little ball variety. Beautiful little flower. Just lots of maintenance when it comes to cutting your blooms and taking care of them. This one's called Tropical right here. I got this sucker from Home Depot last spring. Beautiful little flower. So that's likely it for the flower tour for today. So look at this back here. Remember when I had that all torn up right back there? It's pretty well almost all filled in. I had a little bit of a sinkhole issue right here. I drove my triplex right here and that sunk down completely. But this is quite a bit different. I mean, look at the difference of the color between the new grass and the old, new and old. Obviously, that's a different variety. The perennial ryegrass has quite a different color. We've got a couple of dead spots still throughout here. I need to put down some liquid weed killer to kill all these weeds through here. That should be easy to do, very simple. 2 or 3 applications of weed killer spaced every 10 days apart, and those will be gone. Wait, I want to go, Aim. I want to go, Aim. So over here I've got an apple tree. This apple tree, I've been waiting for apples for about 5 years or something like that. This will be the first year that I finally got some apples on the tree. It's a beautiful sight to see there. And then beyond the apple tree, I've got lots of raspberries. So now we're gonna head down to the beach and see what we got going on and just kind of enjoy the scenery of the beach there. There's the pal right there. Say hi, pal.
Hi.
So a lot of people have asked me how far my property goes back. I don't know if you can see over there, there's a propane tank right there. On this side of the propane tank, there's a fence that goes all the way back to that white fence there. So it's 1 acre in total. Got this little back drive over here that I use. This used to be a 2-acre parcel and I sold half of it, okay? Sold half of it to the next guy or the neighbor over there. So we have this house being built over there. Looks like a big pig. So my property pretty much goes from here and all the way to the corner back there. So it's about 350 feet or something like that. I don't know, 300. This is a new animal that we got here. It's a little dog variety. And she's about 12 weeks old or something like that.
Right
Did you get it? Try it again.
Got it.
Oh, I didn't hear anything. All right, ready, set, go. It is, oh, pal, I heard it. It is very dry here, okay? We are in a desert state and it's very dry here. I think the driest state in the nation is Nevada. Pretty sure that Utah is second when it comes to dryness, and it's very dry in this state. So we haven't had rain. We had a horrible winter. Everything in this whole western region is dry and we are in a drought. You can see behind me, the skies are full of smoke. Everything's on fire out here in the west. And the smoke is all over from California, Nevada, Idaho, Colorado. Everything's on fire, Utah. So it's pretty hazy. Oh, the park. Park closes at 10 p.m. So it says right here, the park closes at 10 p.m. Violators could be fined up to $100. You really think they're gonna freaking fine people? I doubt it. Well, that's just all bark and no bite right there. It's like, oh yeah, we're gonna fine you $100. You're not gonna do nothing. Am, can you say hi to people?
Hey! Hey, everybody!
Nice! Yes.
Look at that shirt, that's great.
Ooh, that is a sweet shirt.
That is a great shirt.
Look at that guy's shirt up there. That's freaking sweet. Oh, she'll be fine.
Ready?
Let's go.
Okay, watch your feet. You don't want to step on the holes, okay?
The one. Did they pay? Do we have them?
Pretty sweet little operation we got going on.
Boardwalk in it.
Chevin. It's kind of like Devon, but with a ch. Okay, so Chevin is like Devon with a ch. Chevin. Chevin versus Devon.
I'm working on it. That was a kind thing to say. Good job.
This is just a nice little beach, nice little lake. Just come down here, relax a little bit. It's Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening. You can see all that haze that I was telling you about. All that haze in the air is smoke from surrounding fires and surrounding states, which really sucks.
Like, I don't know how you talk. I know, I don't know how you talk. It's so awkward.
Show the viewers what you made up.
So I just took a Gatorade bottle and I cut off the
top, right?
So it's just the mouth that you drink out of. And then I took that ring off and didn't cut it, and then I cut off the mouth of a balloon.
And stretched it over the top of the ring.
And I stretched it over the top of the ring, and then I put the ring back on the.
Now what does it do?
And then I just
it shoots projectiles, folks.
I just put like a metal BB in there, and it shoots far.
The water is pretty low for this time of year. It's quite low, probably, I don't know, 20 feet down maybe, and it's low. It's a beautiful beach, nice sandy beach, and it's really shallow. If you can see how far they are out there, that's probably maybe 100 feet out there, and the water, and they are on a little island, so the water only came up maybe 6 or 8 inches between here and there. So it's very shallow, like a big huge sandbar everywhere around here. So it's a great place to bring kids to be able to just hang out at the beach. Wish I would have brought my sandals and or a chair, maybe some shorts, but wasn't expecting to come down here, so I'm not really kind of outfitted for this operation. You're all cute. Don't cute me, okay? Cute yourself.
Oh, look at this change.
Good times had by all, folks. Beach night 2021. So I appreciate you guys. I will see you in the next video if you stay tuned. Let's see your dance moves.
I just can't.
Yes, you can.